The next section massage. Question number 247. The Filraj, the hand moves in the direction of lymph and venous flow from the middle. तो हम जो जिस डायरेक्शन में वेनस फ्लो हो रहा होता है या फिर लिम्फेटिक फ्लो हो रहा होता है उसकी डायरेक्शन में मूव करवाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 248. A therapist design a treatment plan for patient with the myositis ossification. Which treatment would be contraindicated during the acute stage? तो क्या है वो मसाज नहीं देते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 249. Transfer frictional massage is valuable treatment technique in the variety of common musculoskeletal disorder. Which of the following statement do not accurately describe the application technique for transfer frictional massage? तो इसमें हम क्या होता है, a lubricant is used to prevent the excessive skin friction. ठीक है, ये जो है वो हमारे पास एक स्टेटमेंट सही नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 250. kneading, running and the rolling all are the specific variation of the basic massage techniques stages की जो है क्या है टाइप्स होते हैं. Question number 251. Which of the following giant receptor would be a therapist and expect to more sensitive to the high frequency vibration, the pressure and the velocity changing in the giant position is Pacnian capsule. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास सेक्शन है फिजियोथेरेपी इन मेडिकल कंडीशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 252. द lateral segment of the right lower lobe is drainage by the postural drainage techniques with the patient. The patient position is laying on the right side with foot end of the bed raised by 18 inch. Question number 253. While treating a patient in ward for the chest care through coughing, it should be ensured that bronchospasm is not induced. Question number 254. Tracheal stimulation is elicit the cough reflex. The therapist places her finger or thumb on just above the supraexternal notch. Question 255. The mitral valve of the heart controls the amount of blood from left atrium to left ventricle. Question number 256. Obstructive lung disease characterized by a permanent dilation of medium-sized bronchi, usually the fourth to ninth generation, and repeat infection in this area is known as bronchiectasis. Question number 257. In hydration therapy, ORS uses oral hydration solution. Question number 258. Which of the following stage of physiotherapy program is suitable for cardiac rehabilitation? Stage 4. Question number 259. Physical therapy design an exercise program for the patient rehabilitating from the cardiac surgery. During the treatment session, the therapist monitor the patient oxygen saturation rate. Which following would be most representative of normal oxygen saturation rate? Is 95%. Question number 260. The therapist receive a result of pulmonary function test of the patient with a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Which of the following result is a typical for patient with a COPD? तो इसकी क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होगा रेजिडुअल वॉल्यूम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 261. Therapist working in acute care hospital examine a patient that sustained a cardiovascular accident 2 days ago. The therapist position the patient is in sideline on the lymphatic side. Which of the following is not a beneficial position on a hemiplegic side? तो इसमें क्या होगा, increase the influence of tonic neck and labyrinthine reflex. Question number 262. A 12-year-old female that become anoxic in a near dawning performs dynamic activity in quadrupes. The next posture to attain in the development sequence is tall kneeling. Question number 263. In order to receive perform a chest physical therapy on a patient status post abdominal surgery, a chart review identify a right eclectasis, the most appropriate exercise to teach a patient is segmental breathing. Question number 264. The therapist attempt to obtain information on patient endurance level by administering a low level exercise test on a treadmill. Which of the following measure method would prove the therapist with an objective measurement of endurance? Rating on a perceived exertion. Question number 265. A physical therapist examines a neurological patient with a flaccid left side. In order to facilitate the muscular activity, the treatment plan should include weight bearing, tapping, and approximation. Question number 266. The therapist instruct a patient with a pulmonary disease in energy conservation techniques. Which of the following techniques would be most effective in assessing the patient to complete a selected activity without dyspnea? Is pacing. Next time I was 267. The therapist attempt to assist the patient to clear a secretion after performing a postural drainage techniques. What position would allow the patient to produce the most forceful cough? The upright sitting. Question number 268. A therapist examine a viscosity and color of a sputum sample after completing a postural drainage activity. The sputum is yellowish green in color, very thick, and the therapist best describe the sputum is fluorescent. Question number 269. A physical therapist design a treatment plan for an 8-year-old boy with a cystic fibrosis. Major component of treatment plan will include education, the patient family in appropriate bronchial drainage technique. Which of the following lung segment would be inappropriate for the bronchial drainage? Left middle lobe. Question number 270. A therapist conduct reflex testing on a patient with a traumatic brain injury. Which stimulate should the therapist utilize to test the clonus at ankle? Passive and rapid dorsiflexion of the ankle. Question number 271. The patient diagnosed with the pure athetosis cerebral palsy would most likely demonstrate slow involuntary uncontrolled movement. Question number 272. A patient's status post CVA rocks back and forth in the spine position with leg flexed, arm claps around the knee. Expected therapeutic outcome include all of the following except facilitation of extensor tone in trunk. ये नहीं होगा उसके अलावा. अच्छा. Question number 273. Development examination is completed on the 8-month old. Developmental examination is completed on the 8-month old infant. Finding from the examination include the patient bring hand to mouth, require assistance for ring sitting, present with the slight head leg, and do not reach across the midline of object. The child appear developmental delay. The question number 274. The facilitation of the muscle tone is performed throughout all of the following except maintain pressure. Question number 275. The patient with the moderate chronic obstructive pulmonary disease perform an exercise test that will distress the patient to the point of limitation. During the test, the therapist monitor the patient's physiological response to exercise. Which of the following findings would not require session of the testing session? Answer is systolic hypertension greater than 160 mmHg. Question number 2746. A patient involved in a cardiac rehabilitation program exercise on a treadmill. While exercising, the patient report his level of perceived exertion as a 7 on board scale, 10-point scale. Which word best describe the patient rate of perceived exertion is very strong. Question number 277. A therapist examines a patient's breath sound through the auscultation. The therapist classify the breath sound in a selected lung segment or as absent. Which condition is not typically associated with absence of breath sound? is consolidation. Question number 278. A therapist complete an initial examination on a patient diagnosed with the complete C7 tetraplegia. The patient problem list include the following: inability to complete an independent bed to wheel transfer, decreased passive lower extremity range of motion tissue, breakdown over the ischial tuberosity, decrease the upper extremity strength. Which of following treatment activity should be given the highest priority? The answer is pressure relief activity. Question number 279. A cardiac rehabilitation phase 1 program should be begin 1 to 4 days after the a patient infarct and should consist all of the following prior to discharge except. तो इन सब में से क्या सारे होंगे और एक नहीं होगा, वो क्या है? प्रोग्रेसिव रेजिस्टेंस एक्सरसाइजेज फॉर अपर एंड लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी हम नहीं करवाएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 280. A physical therapist from a home care agency examine a 50-year-old patient diagnosed with a chronic bronchitis. A patient is overweighted and present with a cyanosis at the fingertips. In shallow breathing, the most immediate goal would be to implement breathing exercise and posture drainage techniques. Question number 281. A patient with an IV in antecubital region is treated in the physical therapist. The therapist would like to instruct the patient in upper extremity active range of motion exercises but concern about placing excessive pressure on the inferior side. Which of the following exercise would not be indicated? तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? फोर आर्म एल्बो की फ्लेक्शन एक्सटेंशन नहीं करवाएंगे. Question number 282. 18-year-old female diagnosed with the left side congestive heart failure referred to the physiotherapy. Which objective finding is most commonly associated with the left sided heart failure? क्या होता है? Pulmonary edema. Question number 283. The patient in a phase 1 cardiac rehabilitation program began a walking with assistant. Following monitoring technique would not be necessary in the phase 1 program. इलेक्ट्रोमायोग्राफी हम नहीं करते, देना हमारे पास. 284. The therapist complete a developmental assessment on the 5-month-old infants. If the therapist elects to examine the infant palmar gaps reflex, which of the following stimulus is the most appropriate? तो वो कौन सा होगा? Maintaining the posture to the palm of the hand. Question number 285. Secretion removal techniques are an integral component of the pulmonary rehabilitation program. What is the simplest method to clear the secretion from the upper airways? Cough. Question number 286. The therapist instructs a patient to expire maximally after taking a maximal inspiration. The therapist can use this instruction to measure the patient or vital capacity. Question number 87. A therapist instructs a patient in a diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Which of the following instruction would not be helpful to teaching the diaphragmatic breathing? Answer is, as you expire, watch your lower hand rise. Question number 288. Therapist volunteer to assist a participant at a finish line in 10K road race. The race took place on a hot and humid day. Some of race organizers are concerned about the potential for heat-related disorders such as heat exhaustion and the heat stroke. The most significant variable to difference between heat exhaustion and the heat stroke is mental status and the skin temperature. Question number 289. The therapist monitor the patient vital sign while exercising in a phase 1 cardiac rehabilitation program. The patient is status post myocardial infarction has progressed without difficulty which involved in this program. Which of the following vital sign recording would exceeded the typical limits of phase 1 program? Systolic blood pressure decreased by 20 mmHg from resting level. Question number 290. A therapist examine a patient's status post-traumatic brain injury, then examine a neurological tone. The most appropriate method is passive range of motion of involved and in uninvolved extremity. Next, question number 291. The therapist complete the developmental assessment on the 3-month-old child, which reflex is stimulated by the head suddenly dropping into extension. Is Moro reflex. Question number next है when treating a patient with the hemiplegia in tall kneeling which treatment techniques will be least effective क्या होगी straight plan motion with the unaffected arm. Question number 293. A physiotherapist of 1 month old infants during the treatment session the therapist stroked the cheek of the infant, causing the infant to turn the mouth toward the stimulus. This action best defined by dash reflex, writing reflex. Question number 294. The therapist perform a lower extremity passive range of motion exercises to the patient with the inter IV connected to the dasan of right hand. During the treatment session, the therapist noticed small amount of blood which has backed up into the IV line. The therapist's most immediate response should be repositioning of the peripheral IV line. Question number 295. A therapist examined the patient referred to the physiotherapy diagnosis with a peripheral vascular disease. Which of the following would the most valid indicator that patient is not a candidate for active exercise program? Is a decreased vital capacity. Question number 296. A patient's status post spinal fusion is referred for chest physiotherapy. The therapist instructs the patient in diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Instruction is given to the patient to place his abdomen hand over the mid rectus abdominis area and non-dormans over the mid mediastinum area. As the patient inhales slowly through the nose, the therapist encourages the patient to direct air so abdominal hand rise during inspiration. Question number 297. Which illness is characterized by the bronchial hyper irritability that is triggered by the number of stimulus resulting in narrowing of the air passage? Asthma. Question number 298. The treatment plan for the patient with the hemiplegia includes the reinforcing the normal movement through the key point of control and avoiding all reflex movement pattern and associated reaction. This approach most closely resembles Bobath. Question number 299. Which statement concern the Afghan newborn assessment is not true? तो इसमें सही नहीं है वो क्या है maximum score is 5. Question number 300. The ratio of chest compression to the breath during two main cardiorespiratory resuscitation is 15 by 2. Question number 301. The most appropriate standard position of bronchial drainage to the posterior basal segment of the lower lobe is patient lying prone with the 20-inch elevation at foot of the bed. Question number 302. The patient with the cardiac disease rate the intensity of the exercise as 12 using Berg Oriental scale of perceived exertion scale. The rating of 12 on the perceived exertion scale would be correspond to approximately dash percentage of the patient age adjusted maximum heart rate is 60%. Question number 303. A therapist position a patient is preparation for the posterior drainage activity. Which of the following lung segment would not require the foot of the bed to be elevated? Answer is anterior segment of upper lobe. Question number 304. A physiotherapist examine the patient with a multiple sclerosis. The therapist document that the patient present with the dysdiadochokinesia, which object finding is most representative of dysdiadochokinesia is inability to perform a rapid alternating movement. Answer question number 305. Which of the following developmental milestone is not usually not observed in the examining the 4-month-old infants? is transfer block from one hand to other. Question number 306. Intermittent use of tone reducing lower extremity by wall casting for children with the cerebral palsy hypothesize that casting may inhibit the use of extensor thrust by preventing the plantar flexion. Question number 307. A phase 4 cardiac rehabilitation program can best describe as a program of maintenance designed to allow the patient to continue lifelong routine of exercise and education. Question number 308. A therapist treat a patient status post CVA. Which action would be most likely to facilitate the elbow extension in patient with a hemiplegia? Turn the head into the affected side. Question number 309. The patient with the hemiplegia lying in a spine demonstrate is a synergistic pattern of movement when attempting to move his affected leg. The patient hip is abducted and externally related knee flexed, ankle plantar flex and inverted toe plantar flex and are classified as combination flexion and extension pattern. Question number 310. The 35-year-old patient, 6 month status post CVA and right hemisphere attend physiotherapy on the outpatient wise. As a patient lies spine on the mat, the therapist applies resistance on a right elbow flexion. Therapist note the mass flexion of the right lower extremity as resistance applied. The therapist should be documented as this homeolateral kinesis. Question number 311. A child with athetoid cerebral palsy is referred to the physical therapy. One of the following characteristic would a physiotherapy typically identify when examine a child? तो क्या है continuous low tone and intermittent isotonic spasm स्मॉल जो है इसमें क्या होगा सॉरी इसका जवाब होगा क्या होगा कि डिसऑर्गेनाइज मूवमेंट विद द फ्लक्चुएटिंग मसल टोन ये हमारे पास इसका आंसर होगा तो क्वेश्चन नंबर जो है 312 a patient is examined the following pneumectomy secondary to lung cancer. All of the following may be seen in postoperatively except increased chest expansion with inhalation. Question number 313. Patient began to demonstrate a sign and symptom of seizure including the uncontrollable muscular movement, convulsion, confused behavior. Appropriate intervention should be protect the victim from the injury but do not restrain. Question number 314. Physical therapy. Examine the 6-month-old infant with spina bifida. The infant suddenly began to act strangely at the conclusion of the treatment. The primary survey revealed that infant is not breathing but does not have pulse. The most immediate response is to bring mouth and nose breathing. Question number 315. Physical therapy conduct an initial examination on the patient diagnosed with the Parkinson disease. Which of the following clinical finding would you expect the therapist to identify? Cogwheel rigidity. Question number 316. The therapist often evaluate the foot of treatment table to maximize the effectiveness of specific postural drainage. Dash would not require the elevation of the treatment table. तो anterior segment of upper lobe जो है वो नहीं required कर रहे होते. Question number 317. A therapist developed a treatment program for the patient with diagnosed with cystic fibrosis. Which of the following treatment activity would be most essential to improve the ventilation? तो उसमें कौन सी होगी? Postural drainage. Question number 318. इसमें क्या होगा? A therapist monitor a patient blood pressure during exercise. Which of the following response would be considered normally? Diastolic pressure increase 5 mmHg during exercise. Question number 319. In order to maximize the effectiveness of postural drainage techniques for the right middle lobe, the therapist should elevate the foot of the bed dash inch. तो वो हम कितना करेंगे 16 इंच करेंगे. 320. The therapist perform a percussion over the selected area on the chest wall of the patient diagnosed with a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The therapist document the sound as a dull. Which structure would typically yield this type of sound is lung. Question number 321. A therapist utilizes a result of sympathetic symptom limited exercise treadmill test to determine the intensity of exercise for the patient who previously sustained a cardiac event. Which of the following guideline would be most appropriate when determining an appropriate exercise intensity for the patient? 60% of the maximum heart rate obtained on the treadmill test. Question number 322. Therapist assess the patient voice sound as part of respiratory examination. Which condition is typically associated with increased voice sound is consolidation. Question number three. 2 3. A 63-year-old female status post-stroke is screened for his admission into rehabilitation hospital. As a part of screening, the therapist utilizes a standard instrument of documentation that examines the patient impairment and disability. Which of the following standard instrument would be most beneficial to provide a assessment of motor function? Is a Vogel-Meyer assessment. Question number 3 to 4. A physical therapist review initial examination of a patient diagnosed with the upper motor neuron disease. The examination document the existence of passive skin reflex. A positive Women's reflex is characterized by extension of the big toe. Question number 3 to 5. A therapist examine a patient with the lower extremity hypertonicity. All of the following could be used by the therapist to temporarily reduce the tone except approximation. Question number 3 to 6. Resistive lung disease limit a varying degree of maximum volume of air that can be inhaled and exhaled. Example of restrictive disease include all of the following except emphysema. Question number 3 to 7. Physical therapist position a patient with the hemiplegia in plantar position to promote the weight bearing through the affected upper extremity. The most appropriate hand position on the plant is palm contact with the support of the palmar arch and the weight through the heel of the hand. Question number 3 to 8. A physical therapist emphasizes when treating a child with dash is aggressive bronchial drainage, chest vibration, and percussion is a cystic fibrosis. Question number 3 to 9. A patient demonstrate a unilateral neglect to the left. The physical therapist short-term goal for the patient include reducing the patient neglect. Which treatment technique is not effective to in improving the patient condition? कौन सी नहीं effective? Placing the patient food on the right side of the tray so patient may can eat by himself. Question number 330. A physical therapist perform a vertebral artery test on the patient prior to using the traction of mobilization techniques in upper cervical spine. During this test, the patient began to demonstrate an nystagmus and blurred vision. The therapist should avoid traction in or mobilization techniques in upper cervical spine. Question number 331. A physical therapist attempt to have a patient status post severe reach for the cone by moving her trunk away from the midline. The most appropriate type of manual contact to assist the patient with the movement is light intermittent touch. Question number double three two. A physical therapist would not expect a 7-month-old infant to have complete which of the following developmental milestone is crawl forward. Question number triple three. During an examination of the patient with the traumatic brain injury, a therapist note the patient numbing phrases with a non-purposeful in nature. As a physical therapist initiate a passive range of motion to the patient lower extremity, the patient attempt to strike the therapist in head. According to the Rentschler's amygdala's level of cognitive function, Glasgow scale, the patient would be best described the level IV. 4. Question number 334. Exercise causes a significant increase in the body cardiac output. During the mild to moderate exercise, what redistribution of available cardiac output would you expect? An increase in coronary and active skeletal muscle blood flow. Question number 335. A patient with the right hemiplegia is observed during gait training. The patient performs a side stepping toward the hemiplegic side. The physical therapist may expect the patient to compensate a weakened abductor by lateral tongue flexion toward the unaffected side. Next question number 336. The rate of pin rolling tremor in percussion is 6 to 8 time per second. Question number 337. Thromboadenitis Bellitrans is known as Berger disease. Question number 338. The patient is a pulmonary rehabilitation program position in a spine with a pillow under the knee. The therapist step between the clavicle and nipple in each side. This technique utilizes the postural drainage of anterior segment of upper lobe. Question number 339. The therapist identified that child is unable to roll from the spine to prone to spine. Which reflex could be interfere with the ability to roll? Asymmetrical tonic neck reflex. Question number 340. A therapist develop a plan of care for patient with the hemiplegia. What is the primary purpose of using sling in management of subluxed shoulder to hold the upper extremity in a proper alignment? Question number 341. A therapist review a laboratory report for the 41-year-old male diagnosed with a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Which of the following would be considered a normal hemoglobin value? So 15 gram per deciliter. Question number 342. Therapists apply a hard pack to the lumbar region of the patient rehabilitating from the lumbar pneumonectomy. Which mode of the heat transmission is utilized in the hard pack is conduction. Question number 343. A physical therapist review initial examination of patient diagnosed with a cerebral CVA. The therapist might expect the patient primary impairment to be gait distribution. Gait disturbance. Question number 344. The therapist complete a examination on in a young girl with a spastic cerebral palsy. The therapist determined that the girl has involvement in all four extremity as well as the head, neck, and trunk. This type of cerebral palsy classification best describe the girl's condition. Spastic tetraplegia is answer. Question number 345. The therapist position a patient in a prone with two pillow under the hip in a preparation for the bronchial drainage. If the therapist goal to perform a bronchial drainage to the superior segment of the lower lobe, which area should therapist force be directed? तो किस तरफ होगी? Over the middle of the back at the tip of scapula on the east side of the spine. Question number 346. Secretion remove techniques are often necessary component of the pulmonary rehabilitation program. Which pulmonary disease is usually associated with a change in composition of secretion is cystic fibrosis. Question number 347. The therapist perform a respiratory assessment on the patient with a restrictive lung disease. If the patient therapist regard a respiration rate is 22 breaths per minute, which term is appropriate to classify the patient respiration rate is tachypnea. Okay. Question number 348. A therapist treat a 15-year-old female Spanish descent. The patient speaks only few words of English. He has significant difficulty in understanding the therapist's instruction. The most appropriate therapeutic action is to utilize an interpreter. Question 349. The physical therapist prepare a patient for ambulation. The patient has been in the hospital for 6 weeks with the pneumonia, and he has only recently had enough strength to begin an ambulation training. Which of the following treatment activity would be last to occur? Is training with the weight shifting in a standing position. Question number 350. Assuming a normal Development: which of the following activity would a child first accomplish? Is turning from side to spine. Question number 351. A therapist attempt to auscultate over the aortic valve. Which of the following area is most appropriate? Is isolated the desired valve? Is second right intercostal space 2 at the right sternal border. Question number 352. A therapist complete a pulmonary function test on a male patient admission to the hospital 3 days ago. Assuming a normal values, the patient residual limb should be approximately dash percent of the total lung capacity is 25%. The question number 353. The therapist position the patient from the bronchial drainage to anterior segment of upper lobe. The most appropriate position is supine with pillow under the knee. Question number 354. A therapist attempt to estimate the energy expenditure in calories for the cardiac patient performing a selected activity for 15 minutes, assuming the therapist has a metabolic equivalent rate for the activity. Which what other variable are necessary in order to obtain the estimation of patient energy expenditure? कौन से variable होंगे? Patient weight and oxygen consumption. Question number 355. The therapist outlined the walking program for the patient rehabilitating from prolonged illness. Which of following recommendation would not be beneficial for the patient? क्या कौन सी नहीं होगी? When walking up steep hill, lean backward slightly and then your stride. ठीक है, ये नहीं होगी. Question number 356. The therapist designed to generalize the fitness program for the senior citizen group. Which of the following guidelines is not accurate? कौन सी नहीं है? वो कौन सी exercise should be performed daily for at least 30 minutes. Question number 357. The patient diagnosed with the Parkinson disease had difficulty initiating the movement. What proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation technique would be most appropriate for to treat this? Rhythmic initiation. Question number 358. The therapist instruct the patient to move from sitting through the quadrope to tall kneeling. By moving through the developmental sequence, patient gain dash control during movement and dash during static positioning. Isotonic control during movement and isometric during static positioning. Question number 359. The long-term goal of the patient status post CVA is walk to work. What of the following condition would serve as a largest obstacle for to the patient elevating the goal? तो कौन है? Homonymous hemianopia. Question number: a patient, as physical therapist examine a patient with the right hemiplegia, 4 days status post CVA. All of the following would be appropriate short-term goal except perform a lower extremity exercise without resistance. Question number 361. A patient status post CVA with the abnormal tone on the right side, lies spine in bed. The patient physical therapist is encourage her from lying spine for long period of time because this position encourages the tonic and labyrinthine reflex. And next time हमारे पास question number 362. On a chest X-ray, the sign present as a two separate structure adjacent to each other are not identical because the lack of difference in the bone density. Question number 363. PEEP in chest care physical therapy refers as a positive and expiratory pressure. Question number 364. The ratio of chest compression to the manual ventilation is 15/2. In a single नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास 365. Blind nasal incubation is indicated in TMJ, giant ankylosis.